condo property in Bonifacio Global City na magta-turnover na by 2025. Tara, buhay ahente tayo. So this is Uptown Arts Residence that will be turned over by 2025. And isa ito sa high-end condo property namin dito sa 9th Avenue, Uptown Bonifacio Global City. So this is near to Uptown Mall, Landers BGC, Uptown Parade, Mitsukoshi Mall, and malapit din tayo sa subway station going to Naiya na yan. And ang maganda dito, eto na, malapit na talaga siyang matapos. So next year, pwede na natin siyang gamitin for Airbnb or for rental. So meron na lamang tayong ilang units na pwede nyong i-take advantage. So this unit is semi-furnished na nga pala. So lahat ng itong nakikita nyo is kasama na sa deliverables. And of course, meron tayong balcony. For more details on this property, message lang ako. So yun lang, follow for more.